It's been rewarding, shocking, different, unusual, all put together, because we didn't know. We've never had somebody like Sam in our office, and it's been a rewarding change for everybody. You know, different is good sometimes. Myself and the office manager had several concerns about what Sam would be able to do. Would he be able to operate and work unsupervised? If we give him a task, will he remember it the next time he's in? And he passes with flying colors. Sam can do as much or more work than our other girls who don't have his obstacles.
I think it offered a great benefit to us to be able to evaluate a person at a very low cost and to determine will they be able to fit within the position we're looking for.
He was actually relatively surprised how well I was working on my own.
We love giving people the opportunity to see if a job would work for them before they actually go out and, try to do that job. And a lot of the folks from Goodwill are, some of the hardest workers that I've seen since I've been here.
And then they said that they had a position here open, and I said, I'll take it.
Here at Jimmy John's, we're really looking for the speed and accuracy. So that was like my main concern, is just having her be able to keep up with us. But we've been able to find a good position for her, helping us where we need it the most. And overall, I think she fits in really good, and she's able to make connections and feel welcome here every day when she comes in.
Sylvia, the job coach that we had on site with these three individuals, has been phenomenal. She does a great job at knowing what skills they can do, being right there beside them to help them where their struggles are. She's done great in staying in communication with me.
Given the opportunity, I think any of these folks would be great employees. It's just getting past that misconception that it's going to be a lot of extra work for someone.
I really like it. I'm still learning the ropes along the way on how to do things the best I can do.
I think the most rewarding part is once someone comes on board and they get in the swing of things, seeing how happy they are and seeing the joy of them coming to work.
As much as we've helped them to learn, they've also helped us to learn. It's been an honor to see them come in as new and quiet and not knowing anybody and not knowing anything to, each day of each week advancing. Overall, very, very personally rewarding.
It's been rewarding to myself, to the staff, to the patients that come in contact with him, because Sam will walk around here. There isn't a negative thing I can say about the experience and the interaction all of us have had with Sam.